This project turns the Bluebird for Children into an explorable board game. 2 players will enter the story and search for happiness together. Let's start the journey. Every move opens a new part of the story. Players explore memory, night, forest, and future through tactile play. Unexpected twists mirror the challenges of the original story. Landing on Storytales unlocks narrative moments. Players read the scene and answer a moral question. The wish dice decides more than movement. It gives access to companions and special rewards. Companions can join the player for 3 turns. Cat steals stars. Fairy grants wishes. Dog protects. 3 stars become 1 feather. Players light up the world step by step. When players step onto certain tiles, the story comes to life through narration. Each audio moment reveals emotions, dialogue, or clues, letting players hear the voices of the characters and feel the world of the story.
Living in space and
The Bluebird appears only when happiness is shared. When the player collects enough feathers, they can summon the Bluebird piece. It appears only at the end of the journey, transforming the game board and lighting up the final map. Whoever brings the Bluebird to life becomes the one who completes the adventure and finds happiness.